Hello viewer, we are going to generate the designs here. For that purpose we will use that one and make a human shape design. Change its pattern here. So let's choose that round rectangular shape over it. So make some more shapes as well. Again we will use that design to make a balance. Make far more designs using it. Here we will have some designs like that to hang out with it.